Hey everybody, just a quick reminder about how to make sure that your assignments in Canvas sync with Skyward properly. So remember, you have to make sure that your assignment categories match what you're using inside of Skyward. So come into Canvas, click on your Assignments tab, and you can see right here, the only thing I have in this course at the moment are ones that I've imported from last semester's version of this course. What you need to do is come up here and click the kebab, the three dots, the vertical ellipsis, and choose Sync SIS Categories. It's going to pull up this window. And basically, I need to come in here and assign the imported to one of these. For example, these are all classwork, so I'm just going to click Sync Categories. And now, anything that is completed inside of here will go into Skyward as a classwork assignment. The other way you can do this is by going in here and choosing Edit and just renaming it to CLAS in all caps or whatever the here, when I click on this drop down in just a second, there we go. Whatever is listed in here are appropriate titles for assignments, quizzes, things of that nature, and they will sync to Skyward without a problem. If you use the weighted gradebook function of Skyward, this is really important to make sure that your assignment weighting gets done correctly as well. Okay? Hope this helps.